I'm gonna call it lighting circuit. Okay, circuit. Okay, so in here I will show you a little bit how what to work. So I'll go there, I draw blue, which is where the circuit comes. We all meet in the junction box. I will show you. You can come down, straight line, go the red one, comes back. There, this is the red one, which is live. I'll stop it here. All right, and I've got a yellow one, which I use as a effing line. Bring the F over here. Bring it over here. Over here. That's my side. I will take that, drop it down to make a straight line, and I'll drop this, what we call switch line. Red switch line, which is there. Drop this, because if you're installing lighting, you will have switch line, and let's say this is the wall on a white color. In your house, this is a wall. Oh, I can't do it right now. Oh, and no, right. I'll put the light. It can't be. The house is on. I'll put blue color. Let's say. So let's say this is your wall in the house, right? This is the wall. Make it straight. Okay, I'll call this the wall. We call it wall. That's a wall. Okay. So from the ground to there, you will have a measurement of 120 centimeters. From there to there, where you could put a switch is fix it properly, make it straight, put there 120 millimeters where you're going to put your switch. Let me draw the switch there quickly. Put the switch box there, which is a switch box, comes there, and you will have this line here, which is red. Let me make this red quickly. You put red there, and switch always does this. All right, there. We'll leave this and that. And I will have one more. We go back up. No, I want you to move. You stay there. I'll put this one here, back to the same line here. And just have to fix it properly to make it straight. Right. Do this one here, another one here. It comes to this, to the switch line, which is easy. You can see in your eyes, but when it comes to the house, it's very, very hard to understand. But it's gonna be easy for me. I will make you understand very easily how it works. Okay, so we move on. So we've got here, which we call ceiling rose. Ceiling rose is always round like that. I make it big for you to understand, but it's white most of the time. Get this one here, move it to the inside. So we have continuity of blue. There, I get a blue there, bring it right there, and another one here, bring it up here. So red, I need to kill this, I think. Kill this, kill that. I'll bring another one, which is red 9 to make sure it comes here. Okay, so here I'll put couple dots. One here, make one there. Come on. There. Nice one. There. I need to make sure that it goes right. I'll take this. I'll bring it here. 1, 2, there. And 2, which is right. Okay, and I put there, I put another one there. And comes here. I think this over here. And I put another one here. This one here is showing that there is a 3 dots, which is in the middle, and you go the earthing, which is yellow, one here, one here, whatever I put them, will show you a little bit how it works. Go there, make it yellow. I put yellow. Let me just take this off. Take all this off. Right. For yellow, look at that. You go here. 1, 2, there. There's another one there. So we go yellow there. Yellow. 3 yellow. So make it like this, and I put blue. I choose blue there. Blue goes 1, blue, 2 blues. No, let me go back. Back. I'll go a little bit up here. 1 blue, 2 blues. So the 2 blues, we go red. 1 here, 1, 2, and 3. Red. No, I have to take this off. Let me try and take this off. Take this off. Take this off. So I put another one there. Red. Uh-oh, put there. Take this off. Fix this properly. So we go there. Red. I put one more red here. Right, and I put 1 red there and 1 red here. So the reason I do this and draw it like that is exactly the way it comes in a ceiling rules. And we've got the F, which is a small square yellow. There we put it here to cover all the yellow, and then I have to put 1 line here to link with this. Okay, so we've got this one here. Our nature come from, let me put a bit, I will show this one by one. Uh-oh, let me go back. I put blue color with blue. This is neutral. So this could be on the ceiling, or inside the trunking, or any metal trunking, anything like that. So we go here, red line, we go red line here. Okay. Okay, so it's very tough decision. What is this? Okay, so now I've got all the drawing in place, red, and I've got one red here, which is a dot, so to be here. Red, it's supposed to be red. The one I'm not putting in red. So this is supposed to be red here. Make it red. Make it red. Okay, and this one here, we make this red. Alright, so what we do, I will erase this one here. Boom. I will put another one, which is there, and which is I'll put it here. So what's gonna happen here? This is a switch. So this one, when it goes, where can I get it out? Where can I go in line with this? I put this, I put it there. So as you can see, this is the direction. I need to turn this upside down, put it there. So I'll put this here for you to see. When it goes down, it will, this one here is the switch line. Okay, so we've got all this, and the light which will come up is, let's draw a little bit a light here. I will draw the light here. I've got a light. Make sure this is your light. And you've got two lines which will go to the light. 1 and 2. And we've got this one here is gonna be inside here. Okay, so in this case, you've got the power comes and go to the light. This is one side, or you can have another one which comes from the consumer unit, because the consumer unit is like this. And put the red color. Let me start taking this off. Take this off. I put. Let me finish this first. Go this one here. I go here. No. Use this. And here it goes back to one side, and this one here goes back to the second one. So you have your lights and one side. So the other one, in the easy way, you can do it. It comes from the consumer units the same way. You go lights, and you go neutral. All of them go to the junction box, which is, I'll put it on, let me take this off quickly. I'll use it to filling rows. I use it blue, this blue here. I go there, no, I go there. I draw it like that. These are just filling rows. And you go this red line, it comes here first, you meet the first one, and you've got, that's no over there. I'll take this off. Take this one here, goes this one here. Let me I'll start this one here. Take this off. I put it to square. Round for you to understand very well. So I put it there, and we've got the spots. There we go. This is the first one, the second one, and I got this. Take this off. Take it off. Okay, so we start again. Boom. We got the first one. Here are the first one. This is the second one, and this is the third one. So this they call it loop. Loop. As loop, yeah? A loop in. And you've got neutral. Neutral, you go 1 and 2 neutral. And you go effing, you go another live for this side, you go 1 and 2. So when we go here, this one here, it goes straight to the middle, any one of these, because it's switch. And from there, you take it from there, bring it back up to the switch, drop the switch down. So when you got the switch there,
What are you playing?
from there it goes back to the light. So it goes there, any switch there, and the neutral, which is already neutral, it comes from the consumer name. You can take it to whatever you want to take it. Let me take this off first. I don't want it here. I don't want it here. This comes from the consumer unit straight away. From the consumer unit straight to the ceiling rows. And actually, so you've got this one here, which is your switch there with all the this has to be red. Never use this blue. Put it there. And what you have to do, you have to identify this cable on the way that it will tell you this is the okay. You go now. You go from here. You go the switch. Neutral line. Go to take one of these. You drop it down, and you get one of these here. I left it there. You drop it down, and these two, it will construct your lighting. So here it goes down. And this one here, it constructs another blue, comes down, let's do that. And let's choose another color. This is light. This one lighting. And you got this your light. Okay, so you go, the blue one goes in. There. This is your blue. And this is your red. There, and you've got the light. So there's your light. Good in drawing, but you've got your lights just come on if this one here it become connected. So this is the second method of doing it. So you come from consumer units travel to the switch first and then come back to the ceiling rows. And this one here, but you go 120 millimeter, 120 millimeter above the ground. Okay, so you go lighting circuits. Okay, so this is a second. You've got one there, which is a one method. I'll take it off because it makes it look like a no good. So you've got here. This is one. This is two. And you got another one which is quickly, I will do it quickly to show you how do they do it if it comes to be, oh no, I forgot this one here. I need to put the F, nitro, what do you call this? This goes there, okay. And you don't need to bring it to the lights because lights only take that, but you definitely need it there, and you definitely need it there, okay. You come from the consumer unit, take it off. Then you need another one there. I'll draw it quickly for you to see from there and bring it back up to the switch. Put it there. Never miss this F thing. Don't ignore the F. Put F everywhere. I will write it down for you. So I go there. Put it there. There, down there. Never miss. Okay? I think. Very important. The reason I'm doing that because when we do the testing, we need a continuity test on the lighting circuit. We definitely need the F here and F there because when we do to find out the distance from the consumer unit to there, the consumer unit will connect live or live and earth when the power is off. We'll connect live and earth together, and you come here with your tester. Very important why we need the reason we need the thing to be there, because if you don't do that, we won't be able to read when we do the reading. So this is your mega tester. So you will have, you connect live and neutral here, like you connect the switch on, and you will get your cable to here, and another cable, another cable, this, let me take this off. Let me take this off, undo. Okay, so you have here first, let me just do it. You have here, with live first. You get a reading, and then you come here again to get the reading on this one here. So you will have one here and another one here. So you see why the F, so it's a two side. So let me just take this. I will talk to you about this later on. But I will do this one here, take this off, because it's not important at the moment. So now we've got this is done for you. It's easy. As you can see, we start. I'll just replicate myself. Start again for you to see. So we've got live. This is live there. This is neutral there. And you got F there. Very important F. Why I'm saying the F is very important, because that saves you life. It saves your life. If you don't have F, you will die in electric. This yellow is very important to have it in your electrical. I've seen a lot of installation. Electrician just come here, he chop this off. And here, he don't even connect this. He chop it from outside here. Not good. This is not good. You can't cut F. Leave the F right inside like that. Let me take this off. I think it's so like this is a good practice. Don't cut F. Very important. So I repeat again. Never miss the F. Very, very important. Because in Europe, people don't die because they got this in place. Because this, when there is a fault happening in the winding, let's go this, you go this, you go that, then you go this here. So this is go live, and this go neutral. So you've got all we call F faults. When this touch there, and you go the F, you go this one here, they do it like that, and this return path. So if there is no return path, go net, go live. If there is no F, what's gonna happen? You just come back here and boom, fault. So this we go load here. Very important to have F because we travel back, and the RCD we trip it. So this is the first lesson on lighting circuits. As you can see, you go neutral, live, and F. So live comes here first, the first drawing. This is the first drawing. It comes to the switch, and the straight back to the ceiling rose. And the ceiling rose come back here straight away to light up. This lights come on. And neutral from the consumer unit, it comes straight to there. The second drawing, the live goes straight to, we call it ceiling rose. It's the same as here. We call it ceiling rose. Okay, So as you can see, it travels first to the ceiling rows and back. So let's see. We got this one here. It goes first to the loop, which is the middle, and it comes back down to the switch and back up to the ceiling rows. So it switched the power first. The power comes here, and it all connected because all these are the same. They are the same. This and that, they are all the same. It comes back here, and here you cut it off. So you cut this one here, take this off. Oh, back up, quickly, back up. I don't want it there. See? So I will go there. Check this, which one? The one there. Come on, you were the ones. Okay, so I will draw another one here quickly to explain exactly how all these have to be inside the switch. So this one here is going old camera there. We've got the red, and we've got it goes back up. I'll take this up, square, I'll take this. You go there. You show that is another one there. We got another here, we got another one here. So when this one here link with this, the power goes. So you go back there, let's come back here, and goes back there. As you can see, it's going back. Here is going in. This one here is going in. And this one back up. And this when it comes back down here, as you can see. And here it go back to give power to the light here. And then we put this one here, it's going to this, and give you power. Give you power there. So as you can see. So this one here from the consumer unit, straight from the consumer unit, you just go past to the lights. Both of them they are on the connection. So as you can see, the lights came on because power, it goes back there. F is not doing anything here according to the drawing, but it's very important for testing purposes and not getting electric shock. All right, so we finished the first lesson. Thank you very much. We'll talk about the ring final circuits in the second edition. Thank you.